Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza. Still very friendly, not so much neighborhood lately. I've been spending about 12 hours a day for each day for a little over a week babysitting, pet sitting for my friends who are in Hawaii working. So I haven't had a lot of time to do much, which is fine because I'm still sporting this Skywalker chic look on my right hand. I've got the neuralgia going on. This is my dominant hand, so nail art has not been so much a thing that I've been able to do. But I'm still doing videos. Here I am. Oh, and if I haven't responded to a message, their Wi-Fi isn't really being nice to me, so I promise that, promise that tonight, whatever, I'm going to look at the backlog and on a real computer. I don't actually get my laptop out for a lot of things. I should. Anyway, and then I'll be able to say hi. Did you see? I didn't tell you what I was unboxing. But are you excited? I'm excited. Okay, this is too much. I forgot I got these many. It was a package deal. I don't really have the money to spend, but Halloween, MoYou London's Halloween plates are like my favorite. Now, I am a little disappointed that these are familiar images on this plate 27. I'm sure we all have seen these before if we have the Halloween collection MoYou plates. So I'm not so much going to mess with this one because we've seen it. We've got some Norse runes. I don't remember what they're called because I learned all that in my high school witchcraft books. And they're still in storage somewhere, but I can't read Norse Elder Futhark anymore. Anyway, so here's 26 Halloween collection. We've got some cool stuff. I like any kind of pendant nail art. That's oh my ghoul. Like the stars. I mean, these are all really classic elements, and these really work well for backgrounds. So if you have like a fun reverse stamp like a witch or a Frankenstein's monster, you can like put it on one of these fun backgrounds. I mean, obviously you don't have to just take it from this plate. I have many more to show you. Halloween. I like this font. This is pretty cool. I also like this pentacle, how the points of the stars are sort of jutting out from the circle. It is beautiful. I don't know whether it would effectively contain a demon, since the points are kind of breaking the circle. But we're talking about fictional things, and, you know, because I've totally never summoned a demon. No, I haven't. Look at this. This one's cool. Which one is this? 25. Okay. So we've got a lot of lace-like imagery here. We've got a sugar skull, strange and unusual, an excellent motto, or byword, or whatever. Goth heart. Well, that's me, in a word. This is also an image that we've seen in MoYou London plates before. I don't know whether they're getting lazy, and I can't call them lazy because they released, I mean, look at all these. Or if they're just looking to try to get these fun, because these are some of the more fun images are the ones I'm seeing repeated. So maybe they're just trying to get it out to more people. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Look at all this cool lace. We have some Latin text. I assume it looks like manuscript text. I've always wanted to do an illuminated manuscript mani. Michelle from Hit the Bottle has, and she showed me, and I was so blown away. This is the coolest cat. I didn't mean it like that. Groovy, dude. Anyway, this cool cat has a crescent moon on its forehead and is winged. So that's pretty cool. Call that a medium length hair, not quite a long hair. Anyway, pendants, more pendants. We have an ankh, we have a cross, we have an I don't know if this is an equal armed cross or not, but anyway, we have a bunch of stuff here. So that was 25. Don't worry, I will start playing with one of them. I don't have a lot of time trying to get this uploaded today. Okay, this is 24. It's like I'm opening them backwards. And these are really original ones. Okay, so we've got Creepy Cute Girl, The Dark is Afraid of Me, Black Like My Heart, That's How I Like My Coffee. I've made that joke before. Home Sweet Haunted Home. These are great. And a cute little ray of pitch black. That's very funny to me because the way that there's a lot of people who naturally don't necessarily pronounce my name correctly the first time, Reza. And so usually I say like Reza Blade because I was born, like I was equipped with, this was my nickname from journalism in college and the school paper at UMSL. And they called me Reza Blade. And so I always joked that was my, that I already had a roller derby name. But the other way I teach people to say my name, excuse me for the shake, is that I'm a ray of sunshine in their lives. Reza Blade, right? So this could be an alternate way for me to tell people how to pronounce my name. Maybe they'll remember it better. We've got a coat of arms, a winged coat of arms. Look at that god. I love this plate so much. You people, I hate everything. We've got some great backgrounds here. Or if you just want to do something really simple. Of course, these lines are fun to play with. You can kind of make them wonky, and that's a great look. I often steal these for little designs that if I'm trying to do something very specific and I don't have a stamping plate that will do it, often, I'll be grabbing lines and other elements from my stamping plate. Is this a mirror that has a cobweb on it? That is so cool. Notes, musical notes. Are they creepy? Does one of them have a face? I think perhaps. Love this rose. I gotta stop talking about this plate. I love that plate. Plate number 24. That's my favorite so far. We've got two more. And this one is a sort of a plate that I would use all year long. Well, I would use all of them all year long. Every day is Halloween for me. Anyway, but we've got some really cool design elements. Look at that pumpkin. We've got all sorts of crescent moons. This is from new moon to full. And oh, look at all these skulls and fun images here. So, and what is this? Oh, it's a girl with a hat. Maybe a reference I don't get. Love that moth, butterfly, whatever. These are great. And so this is a bat image that I really like, better than most bat images. So this is the sort of thing that I would stamp over and over again to fill a nail, like just sort of make them spaced like a checkerboard manually. It can be done. We have the triple moon sign, all sorts of really cool stuff on this plate, and I shall put it aside. Ooh, we do have a witchy though. Good. Okay, now, did we save the best for last? We shall see. And I present to you plate number 22. That rhymed. That was awesome. Okay, so this is Halloween. We all know a song, right? Where we sing, "This is Halloween, this is Halloween." This is really fun. These are more cute kind of images. Like, I think the term is spoopy. I really hate it because it has the word poop in it. but Spoopy is kind of how I think of the cuter Halloween images. I hear that term a lot. So, eat, drink, and be scary. This is a strange jack-o'-lantern. What is that facial expression? Oh no, he just has 2 teeth. Okay, I was like, why is his mouth all weird, like zigzaggy? All right. Skull, butterfly, lollipop. Okay. Or is that a wand? Maybe that's a wand, because this looks like a wand. Very cute. Oh, love the cat. Definitely going to be using this cat. We have an image of a witch. Will you please focus just for me? Make it a present. Splats. They don't have to be blood splats. You can do... This would actually be really cool if you have adult glow-in-the-dark polish. I have Nevermind's Ectoplasm. It's a great one. I don't know if she's selling it right now. But if you do like a natural nail, right? Like a base color. And then you do this in white or something like that. And then put the glow-in-the-dark polish on top of that. It'd be cool if there were like glow-in-the-dark splats. Because it's kind of creepy, but also kind of radioactive. So, really neat. So we have some of these other images here. And this reminds me of Bartok from Anastasia. I'm sure that many other people are not going to share that association with me. But, hey, my associations are always free. Get it? Okay, sorry, that was really bad. Never have to pay. So, let's decide which one. Oh, that's such a hard decision. How shall I choose? How long will it take me to choose which one we're going to... Oh, look! We're doing the one that looks like Wednesday Addams and says black like my heart. Okay, so I don't know if I'm really designing a mani here so much as just sort of having fun with my friends. So, let's grab some paper towel. And we will test these Mo friends. I wasn't going to say anything else, I promise. All right, and I've got a stamper. I want that Wednesday image, and I want it now. Oh, what am I going to put it on? Oh, I didn't clean this off from the last time I did stuff. Anyway, it's upside down now. So that you know I've moved on to a different topic. All right. Let's get this. This means I have to acquire a card or a scraper. Done. Scribble. And here we go. Sorry about that. I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb, so if you didn't hear it. Oh, she's lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Maybe not so much Wednesday. I don't know. I really should be using my oh, there are things, laundry clippers, clip thing. You put it on a laundry hangy string. This is what I suffer with my personal incarnation of brain fog or ADD or whatever. It is a clip something, right? It's a wooden. They're usually... My mouth doesn't work. It's this thing. Whatever this thing is. I'll know in an hour when we're all done here. I'll be able to use the word. Did I just pick it up and put it back? I did. All right. Let's see how this rose goes. I'm rhyming all over the place today. Loving it. And if you like... Here, let me show you how. I'm finishing up. Don't worry. We've been hanging out for a little while. And I hope... you have enjoyed. I really am coming out with some other stuff. My friends get home on Friday or Saturday, and I'm going to take advantage of. Okay, so this is actually going to be the stem. So let me grab something different. I don't have a lot of stamping polishes up here. That was poor foresight on my behalf, on my part. All right, so we're going to make this a coppery rose. And we're gonna scrape sideways so that we don't involve the stem. And we're gonna, well, I'm just testing, so we don't have to pull off all the other stuff, because sometimes that wastes precious time and then you need to use sticky base coat. All right, and now we are doing the leaves. Doing the leaves. Sorry, dropped the stamper. And we are completing the rows. And so that you can see what I have done there. And that was a quick and dirty version. I used to do quick and dirty reviews of things, and now my videos are like encyclopedic. Anyway, I'm really excited about these plates from MoYou London. I'm sure that Beautometry and I don't know who else carries MoYou London on a regular basis. I think that What's Up Nails gets them sometimes, but I got them from MoYou London because they sent me an email, and I said, "Oh, Halloween plates from MoYou London? Yes, please. I don't care if I have to eat white bread for a week." All right, so I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please like this video, comment, subscribe, all of the things. It really helps me out. And do comment. I should be able to reply to them today, as of today. Today is a Wednesday. Anyway, I am off to the dentist to get fitted for a night guard. Oh, that actually kind of hurts. Hold on. So thank you, all of you, for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed these plates and this unboxing. And I will see you soon. I really do promise. Bye-bye.